Hi guys and welcome. So today we get to find out the lucky winner of this GBX-100 G-Shock. I would like to thank everyone who participated by leaving their comments and subscribing to the channel. Remember, I do these giveaways every 10,000 subscribers, so make sure you keep that bell icon turned on so you get notified of any new videos I upload. Again, thank you all for participating and may the luckiest guy win. So good luck to everyone, and now we're gonna find out the winner of this. If your name gets pulled out, please contact me via the email in the description, and then I'll do a two-step verification to get your real name and address, and I'll send the watch at my own expense anywhere in the world. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna find it out by using a randomizer as usual. So this is my giveaway video for 80,000 subscribers you have commented on. Now we're gonna share it or just copy the link like so. Go into the randomizer, put in the URL, paste, and as you can see, I've put this filter duplicate users. So all of you who comment a couple of times, it really doesn't make any difference, because this app is gonna filter those and just get one comment per user. Get YouTube comments. And now it's loading up all of your usernames and your comments. And remember, it's loading up unique comments. So if someone did 4 or 5 or 6, it's not gonna count. And we have a lot of comments on this one. So 1,463. Okay, and here we get to find out the winner. So let's zoom in a bit. Let's have the camera focus. So once again, good luck everyone, and let's find out who the winner is. Are you ready? Start. And it's throwing out your names. And the winner is... Oh, it's really shuffling. Pekarine. Really need a bigger size square too. Well, guess what? You just won yourself one. Okay, so Pekarine is the winner. Please contact me via the email in the description so I can make the the verification that it's really you. Once we do that part, you're gonna leave me your address and name, and I'm gonna send the watch to you. One thing that I would like to ask you to do is, once you receive the watch, please do a short video or clip of you wearing the watch or thanking me or something, and just send it to me on that email, because one day I might do a mix of videos with all of my winners. Anyways, that's it. So thank you everyone for participating. Better luck next time. And since I do it every 10,000 subscribers, I'm sure there's gonna be a lot more. And like I said, I'm planning on keeping this watch as the standard giveaway G-Shock. So each one of these giveaways is probably gonna be this exact model, because I really like it. Tell me in your comments whether you like the idea, or would you like me to shuffle and put in some other G-Shocks. And they're always G-Shocks, because those are watches that I know I can give, that I know they're gonna serve you quietly, reliably, without asking for any attention. That's why I love them. Well, that's it. So to everyone else, better luck next time, and congratulations to the winner one more time. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.